Good morning, class 5 natural disasters. First of all, we know a natural disaster is the damage or destruction caused by natural forces. It results in a great loss of life and prosperity. There are following types of natural disasters. First, earthquake means bhukam. It causes the surface of earth to shake and tremble. It may lead to minor or major disasters according to its intensity. It is measured by Richter scales. The scientific study of it is called seismology. Second, flood means baढ़. The mostly occur when heavy rainfall takes place as a result of river or a stream exceeds its capacity, thereby causing flood. It causes many waterborne disasters. Waterborne disease. Clean water gets contaminated, which leads to water scarcity. It causes heavy damage to life and prosperity. Third, droughts means sukha. It is an extended period of months or years when there is an adequate efficiency of water in a region. It affected area have very few natural sources of water. Famines. Water famines are the worst affected. Farmers are the worst affected during by the droughts. Fourth, cyclone, chakravat. A cyclone is a rotating mass of air with minimum pressure in its center during cyclone. Cyclone winds blow at a very high speeds. It uproots trees and electric poles, destroys houses and everything that comes in path. Coastal regions are prone to cyclone. Let us know tsunami. It is a rise of waves that are created when water in an ocean is displaced rapidly. It has a center of volcanic eruption. Underwater explodes and underwater earthquakes can generate a tsunami. Volcano. It is a vent or opening of the earth. Opening on the earth crust throughout vehicles.
Which molten
magma material means magma comes out on the surface of the earth from its interior. Thus a volcanic eruptions takes place. Gases and ash are forced out of creates from the crust of the earth. When the volcanic eruptions stops and the lava cools, it from a mountain. A bowl-shaped hollow is formed at the top of such mountains and is called crater. Types of volcano. First, extinct dead volcano, not erupted for thousands of years and will probably never erupt. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa are called dead volcano. Dormant means sleeping volcano, not interrupted for many years but have chances of erupting again. When a vent becomes when a vent becomes blocked by hardened lava, it becomes a dormant volcano. Example: Mount Fujiwara in Japan. Third, active volcano. They are most dangerous. They often erupt and lead to destructions. Example: Mount Etna in Italy. We should never forget that the extinct volcanoes may become active. Example: Mount Vesuvius in Italy. And last of all, we know that human-made disasters. First, fire. Big fires are often the result of human carelessness, gas and stove eruptions. Example: explosions. Faulty wiring are some of the causes of the disasters. The number 101 can be dialed to call the fire stations in case of fire. Epidemics means Mahamari. When a large number of people are affected by the same disease at the same time, it is called an epidemic. Epidemics Mahamari. Usually such disasters are infections which spread from one person to another quickly. Cholera, measles, COVID-19, we know that time corona, example care, etc. Or some disease can lead an epidemics in not restricted at the outbreak of disaster management. Disasters can interrupt essential services such as electricity, water supply, healthcare, transportations and communications. Natural disaster cannot be prevented, but the loss of life and property can be minimized by efficient disasters management. A good disaster management laid a stage on three epidemics elements. First, preparedness, relief, and last of recovering. Thanks.